Hey folks, welcome to my channel. Today we talk about 3 indoor games that you can play at home very easy. You can play all the games very simply with pen, paper and dice only. So let's start. You are watching my channel on Crazy UT. If you are new, then subscribe and like this video. So let's begin. So first the game is that hockey stars. You have to make like that. So here you can see that there is box and these are start. Now you have to take dice and roll simply, and it is 4. Then you have to, from here you have to move 4 chance from that. 1 2 3 4. So mark it on here, and then this chance there is 1, so we move 1, and for this 4. 1 2 3 4. So this is Hockey Stars game, and move forward for next game. You have to make like it, and after that. So now points are 2, 1 and 1. So now let's play it. We have to roll dice and 6. So 6 is here, and with this, so we have to take U. 2 players are playing this, so U and M. So U 1, and no stands for M. So this is also 6, so M is also here. And now after we have to 6 chance only, so 1 1 is now equal. So now second chance 2, so 2 is that. If you are boring at home, don't worry, there is some Crazy UT, because you can play or make a paper game very easy and many. For example, a football league, wallpaper game, or a Doraemon paper game only at home with paper, very simple, and play it with dice. So search on YouTube on Crazy UT and make funny and best paper game ever. 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 8. So U has 8 points and M, so 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7. So U is winner. So now move forward for third games is that so this is given knife dice and you have to take a dice. This is last one game which is also played by dice. So first roles players are that 2, so one is U and other is M. So now first U, so play like that. 3, so is that U, 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 and now it's chance for M. 6, so is that M, M. So now chance is for 3, 6, and now it's U chance 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one is 2, 1, 2. So last chance for you 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 over, and now is this chance M and 5, so 5 and over, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting time. So what first is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. U is 9. And M 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So M is also 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So U is winner. U is winner. So you also win the match. So these games you can play at home only with dice and pen, and with paper. So try these games at home in quarantine time with your friends. And if you want to play and make at home, then you can subscribe my channel and go to my paper game playlist where all the games are for you, only made with paper and dice. So go and watch all the games very easy and simply. So if you want this game, then like and subscribe to my YouTube channel Uncrazy UT. So we will meet you next video. Bye.